People ask me all the time, why do you coach? It's not about money or glory. It's not even about winning. It's about bringing people together.
Come on, man, let me go, man.
Achieving something as a team we could never do alone.
Yeah, hustle it. Go again.
That's what makes it all worthwhile. And that's why I use band. The app that brings my team together. It has all the essential features that a team needs to plan, to strategize, and most importantly, to share. Because moments like this, they only mean something when they're shared. Band. Teams wanted.